Hi, I'm Brianna with Bonanza, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to open an additional booth. There are many reasons why you might want to open an additional booth, and it's certainly allowed on Bonanza. The main reason we see sellers do this is so they can better organize their items and target certain browsers. If you hover over your username, you'll see a drop-down menu with an option to add an account and to log out. First, you'll want to log out of your current account. Then, on the Bonanza page, select the register link and fill in the required fields. Since a username and email can only be used once per account, you will need to have login information unique to your new booth. Once you're done, select Create Account. Now, you can log back into your first Bonanza account. Once you're logged in, go back under the username and select the Add an Account link. From here, you'll be logging into the account that you just created. Once you're logged in, hover over the username, and you'll see the ability to toggle between your two accounts without having to fully log in and out each time. Another cool part of this feature is that you can transfer your listings from one booth to the other. Go to your Add or Edit Item page, and from the More link, you'll see an option to transfer the listing. Then you'll be prompted to select the booth you want to transfer to. And it's just that easy. If you want to transfer multiple listings at once, you can use the Batch Editor tool. Once you select the listings you want to transfer, under the Item Basics link, you'll see an option to transfer the items. Don't forget to apply your changes. There are just a few last things we want you to know about adding an additional booth. First of all, duplicate items are not allowed. Each booth must have unique listings. If you have a membership in one booth, it will not transfer to the second booth, so you would need an additional membership for the second booth. And lastly, you can use the same payment accounts for both booths. You do not need to set up a separate PayPal and Stripe account. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.